Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see behind me, we are working on the 35X. We're doing some repairs or maintenance, I don't know what you call it. As you might have seen in one of the last videos, with the spreading of the can, the lift wasn't working, so we think it is, spin this round, we think it is the filter in the back end is dirty, and that's what's stopping it from lifting. So we're just draining the back end of oil to go and rip it out and see. As you can see there, the oil coming out of it, it isn't looking great. Oh, you think there's water in it?
Water,
yeah. So I think there's water in it, and that definitely wouldn't be helping the job. So get the next can ready. There's the one at the front as well. Oh, the gearbox. Okay. So what have we to do then to take out the filter?
We have to remove inspection plate on the opposite side.
On the other side, we want the dipstick in it.
Yep.
Oh, what then? It's just inside that, is it?
Should be, if there's one in it.
If there's not?
Well, then there should be one in it.
Right. That's nearly full there. What? Throw the plug back in it?
Yeah, this one. Put your finger on that one for a minute and let that one fill up.
Right. Very technical. That is when the first time we'd have done anything with this since it was restored.
2008.
Yeah. There's been nothing done with it since then. Has there? No.
No, I think.
No. So wouldn't have done a whole lot since we did it up, did it? No.
Oh, new engine, all new, rebuilt in 2008.
Yeah. Oh, it's a new engine?
Yeah, brand new engine.
Brand new engine. Where did we get it from?
It's old engine, rebuilt.
Oh, rebuilt engine.
Yeah.
Oh, sent it away?
Yeah.
Alright, I didn't know we did that. Wasn't there something funny about it? We had a 165 engine in it or something?
No, a 135 engine.
A 135.
Direct injection.
Ah, okay. A 135 direct injection engine used to be in it when we used to scrap yards with it and bring in bales.
Yeah, its own engine, original engine back, redone.
So the original engine that originally was in it?
Yep, from day one.
Where was that engine? Okay. Well, what was the difference between a 35X engine and a 135 engine?
Direct injection was the biggest thing.
And what was that when it was at home?
Well, the 35X has a thing called a combustion chamber.
Yeah.
And the injector fires into the combustion chamber because there's a flat top piston.
Yeah.
The 135 has the combustion hole in the top of the piston, and the injector fired directly into the piston, which is a far better job, easier starting.
More power or much the
little
same?
bit more power, but most importantly easier started.
Yeah. It's this side, the filter. Wrong one. Huh? Right. Oh, fuck, how am I gonna get this over here without pulling it everywhere? Let's throw them in here. Can't reach it.
Well, it's crossed over, it might go easier, but I think it only comes out with the far side.
Oh, but you have to get off on that side.
You have to get it off, you see. Great fun.
The joys of it. What am I looking at in there now?
I'm looking at the
That's the gears and the differential.
The PTO, the differential, drive one to that differential.
Oh, it's to the front of that the filter is.
Yeah, the hydraulic pump is to the front of that.
Okay. Can't really see it, but the camera probably does. Well, so all that is, it just flicks something forward and back.
Flicks the gear forward and back. There's always a bit of wire on top of the filter, because they were notorious for loosening.
Like a loose bit of wire?
Well, it's just a bit of wire that goes around the
Keep it tight.
shaft just to keep it tight.
So you think it pulls across from the other side, is that?
They might come out here too now. You might have took the wrong side off. It's years since I done one. The newer models all have inspection holes underneath.
The newer 35Xs?
No,
Newer.
And the 180. Some of the 188s had them, but the 290s and all them.
Oh, the newer, the same back end.
Similar
back end.
Similar.
So head just there in the bottom corner, is it?
Yep. It takes a light tip to loosen them. There's your trouble.
That's the filter.
Take
Oh,
it, take it.
Oh, I see it.
All over everything.
Ooh.
That's what's wrong.
All the shite in the back. All of that.
40 years of dirt in it.
40 years. That wasn't done when we restored it, was it?
No, we never had to touch the back end of it because it was working perfect.
Yeah.
But it just, well, it hadn't done anything in years.
Could done with pulling out that drum.
Your camera now. Maybe it might even warrant a new filter.
Jeez, that has some muck on it. So that's 40 years, roughly, you think?
Past 30 to 40 years. Let's see, this is 19, probably into the 80s when that was last changed.
Jesus. It's a wonder we didn't do it when we were at last time.
We weren't using the lift.
Yeah.
It's only used for road runs.
Washing it in diesel.
Yep.
Jesus, it's absolutely mank. No wonder it wouldn't lift.
I know, you know what I think now?
New filter.
We'll sport that, a brand new filter.
Yeah. We don't have one, do we?
No.
No. Where will we get one?
I'll get out to our local Matthew Ferguson dealer and get one.
Right. Should have one in stock.
Might not.
So that's the bottom. What goes in through the bottom.
Yeah,
And then pulls it through. The pump pulls it through, that is it.
Yeah.
And then uses it, and that's the bit of wire you're on about on top of it.
Yeah. Two new yeah,
That is
worst I've ever seen.
That is that. Hello, not too bad. We're just at the house. We're fixing the 35, and I'm making a video.
Through the back end of it.
Wash it out.
Give it a bit of a wash, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's there. So how would water got in there? Because it was never left outside.
It was outside and there was no cap on this.
Oh. Oh right, when
For years.
we used to be drawing bills and that.
We used to scrape in yards and stuff.
Yeah.
No cap on the gearbox, and it just got into it.
Yeah. Well, I'll see if I can find a picture of what it was like before we did it up and after. There's one of Grandad on it. Surely there's one of what before it was done up. It'll be on the computer inside maybe.
There's several of them.
Yeah.
Used to have a Lamborghini cab.
Yeah. It's the tractor I learned to drive on. Bringing in bales and scrapping yards in the low box. So we'll leave it at that and we'll go get a filter. So now we're just back. We have our new filter. So we're going to pour the diesel into it to try and wash out some of that dirty oil. So just got to change over the cans. Get out from under it. Move this one. So that's what was in it. You can see yourself that white creaminess in it. It's a sign there was water in it. That definitely wouldn't have helped things, but definitely you seen the filter very bad. So we get this drum underneath this here now. It's actually a smaller drum. It's imperfect. So now that's it washed out, put in the new filter and put back together.
Fresh oil.
Fresh oil, 2 drums of oil. Should only take one, shouldn't take the 2 of them.
One in a bit.
So clean them off, get out the new filter. So exhaust is in the way. Old filter here, manky dirty. A 40-year-old filter. New filter out of Massey dealership, has a cone in it, bit of a spacer on it as well, because it is a bit shorter. So we're ready to put it back in now. So Press it just there inside. Right. Bertie, please shut up.
Stop.
Bertie, you are. Fuck's sake, Bertie. Stay there. Stay there.
Sit.
Stay there.
Come here, you.
Right. Yeah.
Get that.
Yeah.
Push that bracket forward till I get the bolt to line up.
Bracket forward when you get the line up. Show the work.
Get up on the very top point. Yeah, keep going.
So now everyone, we have it back together now. We have washed out, we have our 2 panels put back in the sides, our new filter put into it, and it's time to put in oil into it now. So I don't think my father has any in. I went for my tea and he just finished putting it back together, and I think he might have some oil. We'll have a look now. So we'll flick this round, steady it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Follow. So this is our back end dipstick. There's nothing on that, so you mustn't have anything in it. So I hope you can see it there. So we get this oil put into this tractor, see that it's full, test it, see that it works, and I don't know, I might put the finger bar motor on it this evening, the one I bought. The one I bought out of England, out of Gloucestershire. And if we do, we might video some of that. It'll be in a different video. The plan is that to put on this, get it ready, and then I'll be doing a video on doing a bit of topping with the finger bar motor and the tractor. That is the plan. So I haven't all that in it, but we'll just dip and see the tractor coming up on the distance. So we have 20 litres in it now. We're putting, this is a half a can, so maybe another 10 litres. I can't see it holding any more than, or it should be full at that. Don't know why it's not showing up on the dipstick. So now, let's do what he says. Oh. We're running now. Oh, in business now. And down. So yeah, that's it. So we're just rubbing some of the oil into the mud guards, into the panels, just to help keep some of the rust off it. Just to try and keep it right for another 40 years when we do the filters again. So now, that is it. Our 35, oh, it's a bit finicky, so this 35 is all gleaming now, maintained, ready to go to do some more work. So that's it. That's the end of the video. If you like this video, as always, leave a comment down below, hit that like button. Caps, you know where to get them. My Amazon store, you want to give me anything that I use, phone holder, fan on it. I have to put this yoke on it when I get round to it, and anything like that, anything that's on that, I highly recommend using. If you like it, just buy it off the store. Helps me out along the way. So I think that is it. Also want to give two shout outs to two YouTube channels. One of them, Kip Ziegler Farming, an American dairy farmer. He lost his channel, someone hacked his channel and deleted it, and YouTube couldn't get back from him, so he started up again. Been following him from when he started back then, when he started his first channel, and highly recommend going having a look, seeing how they do things over there. I'm amazed every time I watch his videos and see the feeding system for feeding their cows. I'd never seen anything like it. It just amazes me every time I see it. So I highly recommend going over there and checking out his channel. There'll be a link in the description down below. And also an Irish YouTuber that's not only started up recently. I Farm, We Farm, if memory serves me right, that is the name of the channel. A dairy farmer, actually not too far from us here up in Cavan, in Coot Hill. So highly recommend going checking out his channel. He's literally just started up and seems to be getting off to nice few videos there, some nice ones. So I highly recommend going and checking out that. So I'm going to leave it at that for this video, and we'll go and pick up the finger bar more and bring it out, and that'll be a totally separate video. Maybe I might include that one on mowing or topping, but I'm going to leave it at that here. Let's talk and shite. So that is it from me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.